So how do you restore iPhone to the previous backup? Let's get started. If it's your first time here, most definitely subscribe so you never miss the upcoming videos and tutorials like this one. So of course, it depends on where you have that backup, but most likely it's gonna be on the iCloud, and if not, it's likely in your computer. But on the iCloud, you can check it out in your settings when tapping on the profile, proceeding to iCloud and checking out the backup situation. So you might have it turned off. You might have some older backups, right? So you'll be able to see it right there. And if you have a backup available, even an older one, you can most definitely restore to it. The way that it would work is that you would completely wipe the iPhone clean, like delete everything from the phone. So you can do it by going to the settings general, then tapping the transfer or reset iPhone, erase all content and settings, and you're going to go through all of the steps and wipe the iPhone clean. Then during the setup process, because the phone believes it's like a brand new phone, during the setup, it's going to ask you how you want to start, and you can decide to click on the restore from backup option. And this would get the job done. It would allow you to sign in with your Apple ID. The backup is apparently on the iCloud, and you would be able to use it to start your new iPhone. So that would work. You would just need to know and keep in mind that if it's an older backup, it's only going to contain all of the data that has been backed up at that date. So all of the new data are simply going to be lost. So you have to be careful with it to not lose anything, right? Because if you check out my backup situation in the settings, you're going to notice that the backups are kind of older. So, just pay attention to it and make sure that you are not like losing any important data. But other than that, that's how it works. I really hope I could explain that. Thanks a lot for watching, and I hope to see you later in the future videos as well.